We all know the sound of an alarm clock, that loud, nagging ring pulling us out of sleep. We grumble, we groan, and we hit snooze. But what if I told you that life has its own alarm clocks, and most of us are still sleeping through them? Life doesn't always wake us with a bang. Sometimes it whispers, a quiet unease in your chest, a thought that visits you too often, a question you keep dodging. These are not coincidences. They're signals, little nudges, gently shaking your soul. But we're distracted, scrolling, rushing, numbing. So we miss the signs. We think we're okay until we're not. And then life sends a louder alarm. A relationship ends. A job collapses. A breakdown begins. We call it bad luck. But maybe it's just your soul trying to wake you up. Pain is life's megaphone. It shouts when we won't listen, not to hurt us, but to awaken us, to pull us away from the wrong road, to steer us toward the version of us we were always meant to be. So pause, ask yourself, what part of me is asleep right now? Is it my creativity, my courage, my truth? What if this situation is not punishment, but an invitation to wake up? Of course, waking up is hard, because once you're awake, you can't unsee, you can't pretend, you have to act. And action means change. And change, it's uncomfortable. That's why so many choose the snooze, again and again. But if you push past the fear, you'll find something beautiful. Awareness, clarity, purpose. When you live awake, you stop drifting. You start directing. You stop surviving. You start choosing. Here's the thing. Life doesn't stop setting alarms. The more you grow, the more it nudges you higher, not to stress you, but to stretch you. Growth isn't comfortable, but it's necessary. And you were built to evolve. Once you awaken, you start to notice others still sleeping, and not in judgment, but in compassion, because you were once asleep too. Now your life becomes a lighthouse, not by shouting, but by shining. So, what is the universe trying to wake you up to? A new dream? A buried truth? A deeper you? Whatever it is, don't hit snooze. Don't roll over. Open your eyes. Your soul's alarm is ringing. And this time, you're ready to rise.